All right, let's do a bounty hunter boss. This is one way. I bring in a tune of controllers. 15. Come on, go get him. Get him. Okay, he's gone. Now I bring in 12 devouts, 6 absolvers, just to take away a couple of the little things on the base. Basically, we bring these guys in to get rid of the rail. And just make it easy. I'm going to bring in more controllers. Controllers kill the bounty hunter. You don't need to kill all this stuff here, but I do it just to be safe. All right, retreat them. Now I bring in another tune of controllers, 15 controllers. We're going to go up. We're going to kill this bounty hunter. As soon as we do, another bounty hunter is going to come from down here. You kill those 2 bounty hunters and you win the base. It's just that simple. Oh, where are we at? What are you doing? Goofing off? Yep, we're goofing off. Just taking out whatever will do us damage. He doesn't move, so you don't have to worry. I bring these guys in. After you kill him, a bunch of the little mined vehicles show up. You got to watch out for them, because they will distract you. Okay, we didn't get him. I don't get him. No. Now we got to get ready for the other bounty hunter. There. That's it. It's just that simple. Okay, go and do likewise.